Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I thought I would share the Christmas cards we received this year. Some of them are handmade, but majority of them are store-bought, which are just as awesome as handmade. So let's get started. So first up from BB, I received this really pretty Christmas card, and she is such a sweetheart, and she's BB's Closet Creations here on YouTube. Now I got this card. A lot of sparkle. We got Santa Claus here. And I received this card from Caramia's Corner here on YouTube. And she gifted these cute little stickers. And I think that's Santa Claus. Is that, what is it, Dapping? Is that what it's called? Super cute. Can use these for next year. Thank you, Clarissa. And then got this card. This pretty card with the wreath on it. This card. And from Ashley with Paper and Twine, I received this adorable little card. She sent a nice little note and a bag of tea with a little pretty little tea holder, the little bird. Got some tea. It's super sweet. Got this card. This card. This card. And this card I got from the Gift Diva here on YouTube, and it's Lynn. Super pretty card. And then she also gifted this cute little coaster. Unfortunately, it did get cracked in the mail, but I'm just gonna put some adhesive on that to hold that down. But isn't that adorable? Look at those eyes. And then I got this card. This card, Joy to the World. Warm and cozy wishes. Oh, come let us adore him. How pretty is that? The glitter. The snowman, happy holidays. It's a really pretty one with the wreath and the cardinals. Or, I think they're cardinals. And this dimensional one with the Christmas tree. And then from Melissa here on YouTube, she's Mo's Creation, this adorable little wobble card. This is really cute. Thanks, Melissa. And then I did receive some birthday cards I want to share with you. So I got this birthday card. This is a pretty card. And I got this card from my friend. It's a really pretty card. This card. And my friend made this card for my birthday with the cupcake. And then my guy bought me this card. Really pretty happy birthday. Hope it's in camera. With all the layers. So I thought I would share the Christmas cards and the birthday cards I received. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. And I'll be seeing you guys soon with another video. Thank you.